June. It's a day dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of rainforest and one of our best natural defense against climate change because of their capacity to absorb greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. The first ever World Rainforest Day was observed on June 22, 2017. The importance of rainforest. Rainforests play an important role in keeping our planet healthy. They absorb the carbon dioxide in the air and circulate more than 20% of the world's oxygen. The rainforest found near the equator, hot and humid all year. Average temperature is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall over 2000 millimeter annually. Interesting facts. Rainforests produce 20 to 30% of Earth's oxygen. The Amazon River is the second longest river in the world. Some trees can live over thousands of years. A single rainforest tree may be a home for 400 plus insects. World's rainforests. Rainforests are dense, warm, wet forests that are home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species. They are crucial for maintaining global climate balance.
Congo Rainforest. Location mainly in the Democratic of Congo. Size the second largest tropical rainforest, 1.8 million square kilometer.
Daintree Rainforest location, Queensland, Australia. Unique, one of the oldest rainforests on Earth. Species includes ancient ferns and cassowaries. Temperate rainforest location, specific numbers USA, Canada, Side, New Zealand. Why is World Rainforest Day important? Do anyone know the answer? Yes. They produce oxygen. They help keep the climate cool. The theme for World Rainforest Day is to protect, preserve, and conserve the rainforest for future generations. Rainforests are incredibly biodiverse ecosystems that provide numerous ecological benefits. Rainforest is an area where tall, big, evergreen tree available in dense forest with high volume of rainfall. The climate of rainforest is warm and humid. There are two types of rainforest, tropical and temperate. We all took air, the painted of the sky. We soaked the branches and sealed with velvet. But where are my things? Where is my nest? There are one. Celebrate us by saving us. I am the grand tree centuries old. I breathe life into the air. My branches cradle nests. My roots hold the earth. But my rings of ages are shrinking faster than the time allows. It is not too late. Plant more cutlass. Plant more trees and support for reforestation projects. Reduce your carbon footprints. Avoid products. I am Jaguar, guardian of shadows. I roam the forest for silent and proud. But my tracks are louder than missing road smokes. Where will I head? Where will I go? Respect the wild, let nature live. I am the child of this forest. My tribe lives in harmony. We take only what we need. The forest is our home, our school, our medicine. But now it cries. We all must hear it. Listen to the rainforest. It speaks for us. I am the logger, thinking only of money. I came with soft and trees. But I see now, this forest is not just trees. It's life. It's balance. If we lose it, we lose everything. I'll change. I'll protect. I'll plan. It's my new beginning. Rainforest is our shared responsibility. Let us not wait for the silence to realize what we have lost. Rainforest Day promises to act. I promise to learn about the forest, to care for nature every day. I will share what I know with others so awareness can rise. I learn of the light and waste no food, reuse, recycle and choose what is good. I stand for the I will save cardboard, plant more trees, and never throw the earth away.
Protect the rainforest, protect the planet. Life is a gift from nature. Respect it. Respect and protect the mother nature. Home, earth is a home to all creatures, not just humans.
Just tell me why you are waiting. Have you seen what is the figure we have accounted in the tank you are carrying? What's it? What's it? Just name it what you are telling me.
Protect rainforest.
Protect rainforest. Okay. What is the figure in the tank you are carrying?
Saving.
It becomes the cost of Karnataka, and then it becomes the cost of Goa, it becomes the cost of Maharashtra. If you take the map from India, the